What does an on-site factory acceptance test look like? Traditionally, customers travel from all over the world to the factory site. One of the crucial steps prior to the actual dispatch of a machine is conducting the FAT. Customers can see the machine running, check samples, and ask questions about operations and maintenance with trained experts. But this may not always be possible. On-site FAT can be delayed due to travel restrictions, a shorter timeline, unavailability of experts, or high travel costs. Delayed FAT means postponed machine startup and the subsequent project milestones. To address this issue of business continuity, PackSys Global and its daughter companies offer remote FAT. So, what does a remote FAT look like? We find a suitable time according to your working hours for a remote FAT. You don't need to travel to our manufacturing sites. You simply connect to us through a safe internet line with any device. We offer any secured tool of your choice. Connect with our experts via audio and video. Watch the machine running live through multiple high-definition cameras while our experts support you at all times. Each camera can be placed and adjusted to any specific area according to your request. We make sure the remote FAT is carried out per our standard protocol. Finish your FAT by giving us your digital authorization. On request, the FAT session can be recorded and later sent to you. The benefits of remote FAT are on-time FAT completion, savings on travel costs and resources. Multiple teams' participation across the globe witness the machine at work. In addition, you can maximize your staff presence at your factory. Experience our remote FAT and be a part of our digital journey.